Hello, this is Real Sourcing trying to explain the proof of concept on Proxy Wallet. The code shown here is the NFT gating site verifications code using JavaScript. Now let's run the code on the node server. And then the code shown here is the wallet API, where it will verify users to authenticate based on their NFT holdings. Log in with the MetaMask. This is a custom wallet hybrid, a fork of MetaMask, specially designed for the Dots Hound community. So this is basically the address where users have to hold their NFTs, and any kind of transactions and arbitrary function is allowed on this wallet address, apart from the proxy wallet, which only accept verification and signing of messages. So here is a gated site where it will verify NFT ownership. So now we're trying to sign the proxy wallet before authenticating with the NFT ownership. So it should fail because NFT ownership has not been verified for now. So it's the sign fail. You can see on the network the sign failed here, internet server error. Now we might want to verify our NFT ownership, generate the fingerprint, and then store it on the NFT gated server, and then and then when the proxy wallet requests for a signature, it should the wallet API should basically check for the fingerprint ID if it matches with the fingerprint ID, because the browser ID is specifically unique identifier. So if it matches, it's going to allow the sign transaction. So now here we're trying to verify the ownership of the DotSpawn NFT. So fingerprint store on server. You can now log in using the proxy wallet. So now we could use the proxy wallet. Before, signing was unauthorized. Now the browser fingerprint ID has been stored on the server. So when you use the proxy wallet, it will first check for the browser ID if it matches with the server on the NFT gated site. If it matches, because it's a unique ID like a IP address. Usually browser fingerprint are not unique, but I have coded in such a way that it will remain constant and unique throughout the process. So fingerprint has been stored, and then this is the fingerprint. So this is the fingerprint. So when the user try to sign in using the proxy wallet, it should match with the when the client is using the browser itself. Once it matches, it's going to authenticate it. So connect. I should change the wallet address for now. Disconnect for now. Connect using the proxy wallet. Connect. Now, since it has been verified, it should go through the authentication. So let's see. So secret. Now on the network, we could see something like authentication has been successful. See, sign is there. Sign has been successful here. So this means you have access to proxy wallet. However, you don't have a login here because basically the proxy wallet does not have the DotSpawn NFT server fingerprint ID, client fingerprint ID. In match, then you authorize the user. The server authenticate the user. And then now in order to show you the proof of ownership of the NFT here, see the address do hold a .spawn NFT, so only .spawn NFT holder could access this or could sign using the proxy wallet. And then yeah, we might go through a process where we might want to go through a process where we could just manipulate the fingerprint ID, and then if it does not match with the fingerprint ID, it should basically deny the authorization, such that any attackers or spoofing is not allowed at this point. This means that it's not usually a foolproof, but still I would say 95-96% it's okay to use browser fingerprint ID to authenticate user. And then now let's go back to the fingerprint, and then try to manipulate the fingerprint ID. Here we go. Let's stop the server now, and then right back again. Now when user try to sign in using the proxy wallet, since the fingerprint ID is matching at this point, it should not allow to go through the signing or verification of the message. So yeah, this is the proxy wallet. Now trying to sign in, the browser itself has a different fingerprint ID, and the server is storing a different ID. So yeah, it's asking again, prompting again to sign. Okay, sign. So okay, something's wrong with this. Let me try again. Go to the manage extension, background, we run through the network. Now connect source secret, and then sign. So the sign failed. This means that the signature did not match. So yeah, that's the point here. So thank you for tuning in and checking it out. Thank you.